Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will be showing you how to grow saplings using coco peat coins. These coins are very convenient as they are pre-filled with coco peat. They are available in packs of 10s or 20s or so on and are quite inexpensive. Like the traditional coco peat blocks, this is also in its very dry, compressed form, but inside a very porous and fibrous material. To use it, you must place it in water for about 30 seconds. It will absorb lots of water and triple in size. Here you can see the difference in size before and after submerging it in water. I will now make 6 such coins ready. Now I am sowing some eggplant seeds. With the help of a small stick, I will make tiny holes in these so that I can place the seeds into them. Depending upon the size of the seeds, you must decide how deep to make the hole. Now, sow the seeds like you usually would. To water, fill the container you place these coins in to about an inch and then pour a little water from the top on the seeds as well. About 10 days later, my seeds have germinated and show only 2 leaves. I will not yet transplant it because we need to wait till its true leaves show up. Now the third leaf, which is the true leaf, has shown up. This is the time to transplant the saplings to a pot. Select the saplings which you want to transplant. You will need a scissor to cut the fibrous material. This is because it takes many months in the soil to completely decompose and slows down the plant growth. So make a cut in one side and remove the plant carefully. Make sure you bury the plant stem till it is able to stand by itself. Now, when it comes to watering the plant, you need to do it very carefully. I strongly recommend you to follow this way of letting the water flow to the plant roots. Don't directly water the plant stem. To know if you transplanted correctly, just check if the leaves grow within a week's time. For your information, the fibrous material allows roots to grow through, but it will slow down the growth a little.